Pollution Act 1981. This is very important. SF for IS 105. Fifth paper, very important. Wait. This is the very important essay for environment protection legislations. India's Air Prevention Act and Control of Pollution Act 1981 after amendment 1982 and rules. These are the implemented. Wait, I will share the next screen. Wait. Wait 1 minute. Okay. Okay. Introduction. Main objective and scope. Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Main object and scope. Scope of the Air Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1981 and Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974 rules. This is the main object and scope. దీని యొక్క లక్ష్యం, దీని యొక్క పరిధి. Object, an act to provide the prevention and control and abatement of air pollution for establishment with a view of carrying out of the aforesaid purpose of boards of conferring on assigning to such boards power and functions relating thereto and for matters connected therewith. It extension to whole of India. ఇది whole of India మొత్తం ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అయ్యి ఉంది. ఈ ఏదైతే ఎయిర్ ప్రివెన్షన్ అండ్ కంట్రోల్ పొల్యూషన్ యాక్ట్ 1981 ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ హోల్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. It shall come into a force on such days as the central government may be notification in the official gazette appointment. Next screen. This is the main 29th March 1991. The act number, article number 14. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 Act, article number 14 of 1981 లో ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేశారు. 29th March 1981. The Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981 is an act to provide the prevention, control and abatement of air pollution for the establishment with view carrying of the aforesaid purpose of boards for conferring on assigning to such boards powers and functions relating thereto and of the matters connected therewithin. Whereas decisions were taken at the United Conference on Human Environment held in Stockholm in June 1972. June 1972. In which India participate to take appropriate steps for the preservation of the natural resources of the earth, which among other things include the preservation of the quality air and control of air pollution. And where is it is a considered necessary to implement it, the decision aforesaid is far as the related to the preservation of the quality of air and control of air pollution. It is the be it enacted by Parliament in the 32nd year of the Republic Day of it, India as a follows. Introduction. Today, we'll discuss about the important definitions on power to directions, power to make rules, power to central government rules and state government rules, and penalties procedures. These are all the discussed in the topic. First of all, important definitions. There is an important definitions is the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, Article 14 of 1981. Let's say. This is the important definitions in screen share. Definitions in this act unless the context otherwise requires. Air pollutant. Air pollutant means air pollutant means any solid, liquid, or gaseous substances, including noise, present in the atmosphere in such concentration as may be are tended to be injurious to human beings or other living creatures or plants or property or environment. This is the air pollutant definition. Air pollution means the presence in the atmosphere of an air pollutant. Approved appliances means any equipment or gadget used for the bringing of any combustible material for the generating or consuming any fume, gas or particulate matter and approved by the state board of the purpose of this act. Approved fuel. Approved fuel means any fuel approved by the state board for the purpose of this act. Approved fuel means any fuel approved by the state board for the purpose of this act. Automobile. Automobile means any vehicle powered either by internal combustion engine or by any method of generating power to drive such vehicle by burning fuel. Board means the central board or a state board. Board means the central board or state board. Board means the central board or state board. Central board means the Central Pollution Control Board constitution under Section 3 of the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, 6 of the 1974 Central Board. Chimney means includes any structure with an openings or outlet for the through any other pollutant way emitted. Some industries are installed in a chimneys. Control equipment means any operations device, equipment or system to control the quality and manner of emission of any air pollutant and includes any devices used for securing the efficient operation of any industrial plant. Control equipment. Next screen I will share you. Next continuation. Emission means any solid. Solid means ఘన పదార్థం కానీ ఆర్ లిక్విడ్స్ ద్రవ పదార్థం ఆర్ గ్యాసెస్ సబ్స్టెన్సెస్ కమింగ్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ చిమ్నీ డక్ట్ ఆర్ ఫ్యూయల్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ అవుట్లెట్ ద్వారా వచ్చేదాన్నే మనం ఎమిషన్ గా కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. ఇండస్ట్రియల్ ప్లాంట్ means any plant. Industrial plant means any plant used for industrial or trade purpose and emitting any air pollution into the atmosphere. Member means a member of the central board of a state board as the case may be and includes the chairman. Therefore, occupier in a relation to any factory or premises means the person who is as a controller of the affair of the factory or the premises and includes in relation to any substances the person in possession of the substances. Next definition, prescribed. Prescribed means by rules made under this act by the central government or the case may be the state government. State board means definition. State board ante definition. State board means in a relation to state in which the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, 6 of 1974 is in force and the state government as constitution for the state. State Pollution Control Board under Section 4 of the Act, they said state board and in a relation to any other state, the state government of prevention and control of air pollution constituted by a state government under Section 5 of this act. These are the important definitions. 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 Next screen I will share you. Wait. Next one, central and state for the prevention and control of air pollution. Air pollution ni central and state government ఎలా prevent చేస్తుంది? సెంట్రల్ పొల్యూషన్ కంట్రోల్ బోర్డ్ అంటే కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం పొల్యూషన్ కంట్రోల్ బోర్డ్ ఏంటి? The Central Pollution Control Board Constitution under Section 3 of the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 Act Water Prevention and Control Pollution Act 1974 lo వచ్చింది. And other 6th of 1974 I will discuss about next class in Water Prevention Control Pollution Board. It is in the force of the state government as constitutional of the for the state at a State Pollution Control Board under Section 4 of this Act. Such state board shall deem to the State Board of the Prevention and Control of Air Pollution Constitution under Section 5 of this Act. And accordingly that the State Pollution Control Board shall with the prejudice to the exercise and performance of its powers, State Pollution Control Board shall without prejudice to the exercise and performances of its power and functions under the that Act, exercise the powers and perform the functions of the State Board for the prevention and control of the air pollution under this Act. Constitution of next one, Constitution of State Boards Constitution ఏంటి? In any state in which Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, 6th of the 1974 is not for force or that act in the force that the state government constitution. State Pollution Control Board under the Act, the state government shall with the effect for the such date as it may be notification in official gazette. Appointment consisted a state board for the prevention and control of air pollution under such name as may be specified in the notification to exercise the powers conferred and perform the functions assigned to the board under this Act. A state board consisted under this Act shall consist of the following members, namely only following members state board consist. The chairman being a person having a special knowledge or practical experience in respect of matters relating to environment protection to be nominated by the government. Chairman has a special knowledge or practical experience in respect matters to environment protection to be nominated by the state government, provided that the chairman may be either full time or part time as the government may be a think fit. This is the Central and State Board for the Prevention and Control of Air Pollution. Next screen. These are the important. Next continuation. Sixth one. Central Board to exercise the powers to perform the functions of State Board, Union Territories. Central Government. Central Board to exercise the powers and perform the functions of the State Board to the Union Territories. No State Board shall be constituted for Union Territories, and in a relation to a Union Territory, the Central Board shall exercise the powers and perform the functions of State Board under this Act, the Union Territories, provided that in relation to any Union Territory, the Central Board, any delegated, all or any of its powers, any function and functions under this Act, such person or body of persons as a central government may specify. Terms and conditions of services of members. Terms and conditions of services members. Terms and conditions of the members. Terms and conditions of service members. Your terms and conditions in save as a otherwise provided by order this under this Act as a member of a state board. Constitution under this Act, other than a member, secretary shall hold office for a term 3 years for the date on which nomination is notified in the official gazette, provided the member notwithstand the expiration of his term continue to hold office until there is a successor centers upon his office. This is the office terms and conditions. Next, second point, the terms of office a member of state board constitution under this Act and nominated under a clauses B or clauses E of a subsection 2 of section 5 shall come to at an end as a soon as B ceases to hold. The office under the state government or the cases may be a company or corporation owned by, controlled or managed by the state government by virtue of which he was a nominated. A member of a state board constitution under this act, other the member secretary may at any time resign his office by writing under this and addressed. In the case of chairman to the state government and in any other cases to be the chairman to the state board. And seat of the chairman or such other member shall thereupon become a vacant. A member of the state board constitution under this act, other than the member secretary shall be deemed to have a vacated his seat if he is absent without reason sufficient in the opinion of the state board for 3 consecutive meetings of the board or whether he is nominated under clause C of subsection 2 of the section 5 he is case to be a member of the local authority and such vacation of seat. Next continuation. I will share. After continuation, I share. Disqualifications. Disqualifications means disqualifications and no person shall have member of a no person shall have a member of a state board constitution under this act who ఎవరైతే వస్తారు is or at any time has been adjudged insolvent or B is a unsound mind and has been so declared by a competent court or is or is been convicted of an offense which is the opinion of the state government involves the moral turpitude or it is an or any time has been convicted of an offense under by his act or has a directly or indirectly by himself or by any partner any share or interest to form or company carrying on business of the manufacturing sale or year of machinery industrial plant control equipment or any other approaches for the improvement of the quality or air pollution prevention control amendment of air pollution. These are the disqualifications. Disqualifications the is a director or secretary manager. Director or a secretary is a directory or a secretary manager or other salaried officer or employed salaried or officer employed wait, is a director of a secretary manager or other salaried officer or employer of any company or firm having any contract with the board or with government constitution of the state or with a local authority in the state or with a company or corporation owned controlled or managed by the government for the carrying out of program for improvement of the quality of air of the prevention control of amendment of air pollution or these are the okay wait continuation next share next slide I will share you. Wait. Wait. This is the ninth one. Vacation of seats of by members. Vacation of seats of members. Vacation of seats by members. If a members of state board constitution under this act becomes subjected to any disqualification specified in section 8, his seat shall be a become vacant. Meeting of a board. Meeting of a board. For the purpose of this act, provided a board shall meet at least once in every year 3 months and shall observe such rules of procedures in regarding to the transaction of business at his meetings as may be prescribed. provided that if in the opinion of the chairman any business of an urgent nature is to be transacted be any convinces a meeting of the board such a time as he thinks fit for aforesaid purposes. Copies and minutes of the meetings under subsection 1 shall be forwarded to the central board and to the site government concerned. concerned. These are the meeting of board. Next screen I will share it. Constitution of committees. Constitution of committees. The board may constitution as may be committees constitution wholly of members of party of a partly of members and party of others persons such of purpose or purpose as it may be think fit. A committee constitution under this section shall matter at such time and such place and shall observe such rules of procedure in regarding to the transaction of business and its meeting as may be prescribed. The members of committee other than members of the members of committee other than members of board shall be paid such fees and allowances for attending its meeting and for attending to any other of work of the board as may be prescribed. Temporary association of person with the board of particular purpose. Temporary association of purpose with board of particular purpose. A board may associated with itself in such manner and for such purpose as may be prescribed. Any person where assistance or advice it may be desired to obtain in performing or its functions under this act. A person associated with the board under subsection for any purpose shall take in the discussion of the board relevant to the purpose but shall not have a meeting of the board shall be member of the board for any purpose. A person associated with a board under subsection 1 should entitle to receive allowances may be prescribed. Vacancy in board not a invalid acts or proceeding. No act or proceeding of a board or any committee thereof shall be called in a question on the ground merely of the existence of any vacancy in or any defect in the constitution of the state board or such committee as may be. Member secretary and the officer and the employees of the state board. Member secretary and officer and the employees of the state board. The terms and conditions of services of the member secretary of state board constitution under this act shall be may be prescribed. The member secretary of state board, whether constitutional under this act or not, shall exercise such a powers and perform such a duties as may be prescribed as may be from time to be delegated to him by the state board of its chairman. Subjected to such rules may be made by the state government in behalf of the state government whether constitution under this act any point such officers and other employees as it's considered necessary for the efficient performance of its functions under this act. These are the next screen I will share it. These are the delegation of powers. Delegation of powers. A state board may be general or special order delegated to chairman of the member secretary or any other officer of the board subjected to such conditions of limitations if any as a may be specified in order such of its powers and functions under this act may be deemed necessary. Power and functions of boards. Chapter 3 powers and functions of boards. Functions of central boards. Subjected to the provisions of this act with prejudice to the performance of its functions under the Water Act, Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, 6th of the 1974, the main function of the central board shall be to improve the quality of air to prevent, control or imitate air pollution in the country. These are the next screen I will share it. Next screen I will share it. Right. These are the functions of state board. State board functions. Subject to the provisions of this act and without prejudice to the performance of its functions, if any, under the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, Act of 6 1974, the functions of state board shall be to a planned a comprehensive program for the prevention, control, or abatement of air pollution and secure the education. Therefore, to advise the state government of to any matter concerning the prevention, control of abatement of air pollution, to collect and disseminate information relating to air pollution, to collaborate with the central government is the organization, the training of persons engaged to in program relating to prevention, control, or amendment air pollution, and to organize mass educated program relating thereto. Next screen. Power to give directions. The direction and this is power directions. Power to give directions. In the performance of its functions under this act, the central board shall be bounded by such directions in writing as the central government may give to it, and every state board shall be bounded by such direction in writing as the central board or the state government may be give to it. Provided that where a direction given by the state government is inconsistent with the direction given by the central board, the matter shall be referred to the central government for the decision. Where the central government if it is of the opinion that any state board has a defaulted in a complaint with any direction given by the central board under subsection 1 as the result of the such default a grave emergency as a arisen and it's a necessary or expended so it do in the public interest it may by order direct the central board to perform by functions of state board in relation to such area for the such period and for such purpose as may be specified in the order. When the central board perform any of the functions of the state board in where the central board performs any of the functions of the state board in the pursuance of a direction under subsection 2 of the expenses, if any incurred of by the central board with respect to the performance of such functions may be the state board is empowered to recover such expenses the recovered by the central board with the interest at such reasonable rate as the central government may be order fixed from the date with a deemed for such expenses is made until it is paid for the person or persons concerned as areas of a land revenue of the police demanded. Next one. For the removal of doubts is hereby declared for any direction to perform the functions of any state board given direction subsection 2 in the respect for any area where would not preclude the state board for the performing such functions in any other in the state or any for the other functions in the area. Next screen I will share it. This is the penalties and procedures. Penalties and procedures. Penalties and procedures. Right? Penalties and procedures. Failure to comply with the provisions of section 21 or section 22 are in the or with the directions issued under section 31. Whoever fails to comply with the provisions of section 21 or section 22 or direction issued under section 31 shall in respect of each such failure be punishable with the imprisonment of a term which shall not be less than 1 year. Less than 1 year. Punishable with imprisonment for term which not less than 1 year and 6 months, but which may be extension to 6 years and with fine, and in case the failure continues with an additional fine which may be extension to 5,000 rupees for every day during which such failures continues after the conviction for the first such failures. If the failure referred in a subsection 1 continues beyond a period of 1 year after the end of conviction, the offender shall be punishable with the imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 2 years, but which may be extension to 7 years with the fine. This is the penalties for certain acts. Where a desta is pulled down, remove injuries or defects, any pillar, post or stake fixed in the or any notice or other matter could be inscribed or placed by or under the authority of the board. Obstruction, any person acting under the orders or directions of the board from exercising his powers and performing his functions under this act. Damages, any works or property belonging to the board are fails to furnish to the board or any officer other employee of the board any information required by the board or such officer or other employer for the purpose of this act. Fails to intimate the occurrence of the emission of air pollutants in the atmosphere in excess of the standards laid down the state board or the appearance of such occurrence to the state board and other prescribed authority or agency as required under subsection 1 of section 23. In giving any information which is required to give under this act, make a statement which is a fall in any material particular or for the purpose of obtaining any constant under section 21, makes a statement which is a false in any material particular, shall be a punishment with the imprisonment of a term. It may be extension to 3 months or within 5, may be extension 10,000 rupees or with both. These are the next screen I will show. These are the power of central government to make rules. Power of central government make rules. The central government may be consultation. This is the important rules. Power of central government make rules. Power of central government to make rules. The central government may be a consultation with the central board by notification in official gazettes, make rules in respect of following matters, namely the intervals at the time and the place at which meetings of the central board or any committee therefore shall be held in the procedure to be followed in such meetings, including quorum necessary for the transaction of business there under subsection 1 of section under and section 2 of section 11. With the fees and allowances to be paid by the members of a committee of the central board not being members of the board under subsection 3 of the section 11. The manner in which the purpose of which persons may be associated with the central board under subsection 1 of section 12. The fees and allowances to be paid under subsection 3 of the section 12 of persons associated with the central board section 1 of section 12. The functions to be performed by the central board under clauses section 2 of the section 6. Last one, power of the state government make rules. Wait. This is the last one. Power of state government to make rules. Power of state government to make rules. Subjected to the provisions of subsection 3, the state government may notification in the official gazette make rules to carrying out the purpose of this act in respect of matter for not falling with the preview of the section 15. In particular and without prejudice to the generally by forgiving power, such rules may be provided for or any following matters, namely these are the namely followed the matters. The qualifications. The qualifications, knowledge, and experience of scientific energy or management aspects of pollution and control required for the required control of the appointment as member secretary of a state board. Constitution under this act, the terms and conditions of services of chairman under the members other than the member secretary of the state board, constitution under this act under section N7. These are the power of state government rules. And next one, last point. No, the fees and allowances to be paid to be members of committee